एई वीडियो रे आज आमे इंडियन पॉलिटी रो 100 एमसीक्यू डिस्कशन करिबा जेउतरे की कवर हबो यूनियन गवर्नमेंट रो प्रेसिडेंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स पार्लियामेंट एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट यार पीडीएफ टी को डाउनलोड करिया पे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहिछि सेटु जाई जॉइन होई डाउनलोड करि परिबे। प्रथम सेक्शन ले यूनियन गवर्नमेंट द प्रेसिडेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लु क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 जाई रहिबो। प्रथमे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कहला Who is the nominal head of the Indian Union? The right answer is option number B, President. Question number 2. The President of India is elected by. The right answer is option number C. Question number 3. The term of office of the President of India is. The right answer is option number B. Question number 4. Minimum age required to contest the President of India is. The right answer is option number B. Question number 5. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? The right answer is option number C. Question number 6. Which article of the Indian Constitution deal with the President? The right answer is Article 52 to 62. Question number 7. Who was the first President of India? The right answer is option number A. Question number 8. The President can dissolve the Lok Sabha on the advice of. The right answer is option number B, Prime Minister. Question number 9. The President of India holds office till. The right answer is both A and B. Question number 10. The impeachment of the President can be done for. The right answer is option number B. Question number 11. The President of India is elected for how many years? The right answer is option number B. Question number 12. Which body initiates the process of impeachment of the President? The right answer is option number C. Question number 13. The President must be qualified for election as a. The right answer is option number A. Question number 14. Which act as President when the office of President is vacant? The right answer is option number C. Question number 15. Which of the following powers does the President exercise? The right answer is option number D. Question number 16. Who was the first woman president of India? The right answer is option number A. Question number 17. Who described disputes regarding the election of the president? The right answer is option number C. Supreme Court. Question number 18. The president can send back a bill to parliament for recoordination only once. This is called. The right answer is option number B. Question number 19. Which of the following emergency can be proclaimed by the president? The right answer is option number D. Question number 20. The president of India can be removed from office through. The right answer is option number D. Both B and C. The question number 21 ରୁ question number 40 यूनियन गवर्नमेंट रो प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऊपर रहइबो. Question number 21. Who is called the real executive head of India? The right answer is prime minister. Question number 22. The prime minister is appointed by. The right answer is president. Question number 23. The prime minister is collectively responsible to. The right answer is Lok Sabha. Question number 24. Who was the first prime minister of India? The right answer is option number A. Question number 25. Which article mentions the office of the prime minister? The right answer is option number A. Question number 26. Who preside over the meeting of the Council of Ministers? The right answer is option number C. Prime Minister. Question number 27. The Prime Minister hold office during the pleasure of the. The right answer is option number B. Question number 28. Who advised the president about the appointment of other minister? The right answer is Prime Minister. Question number 130. The Prime Minister must be member of. Right answer is option number A. Question number 30. Who is known as the keystone of the cabinet are? The right answer is option number B. Prime Minister. Question number 31. Who is called the leader of the nation? The right answer is option number B. Question number 32. Who decide the rank and portfolio of the minister? The right answer is option number B, Prime Minister. Question number 33. Who is the chief spokesperson of the government of India? The right answer is option number C. Question number 34. Who act as the link between the president and the cabinet? The right answer is option number C. Question number 35. Who is the chairman of the planning commission? The right answer is option number B. Question number 36. The prime minister has to resign if he loses the confidence of. The right answer is option number C. Question number 37. Who act as the leader of the Lok Sabha? The right answer is option number C. Question number 38. Which prime minister gave the slogan Garibi Hatao? The right answer is option number C, Indira Gandhi. Question number 39. Who is known as the ex officio chairman of Niti Aayog? The right answer is option number C, Prime Minister. Question number 40. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? The right answer is option number C, Indira Gandhi. तो बर्तमान क्वेश्चन 41 लो क्वेश्चन 60 यूनियन गवर्नमेंट रो काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर ऊपर क्वेश्चन रहइबो क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 हु इज द हेड ऑफ द यूनियन काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी क्वेश्चन नंबर 42 The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to which House of Parliament? The right answer is option number B. Question number 43. Which article deal with Council of Ministers to aid and advise the President? The right answer is option number A. Question number 44. The minimum number of ministers in the Council of Ministers is. The right answer is option number C. Question number 45. The maximum strength of the Council of Ministers, including the Prime Minister, is restricted to what percent of the Lok Sabha membership? The right answer is option number C. Question number 46. The Council of Ministers hold office during the pleasure of the. The right answer is option number C. Question number 47. Who allocate portfolio among the ministers? The right answer is option number B. Question number 48. The Council of Ministers include. The right answer is option number D. Question number 49. Which committee of Parliament examine the functioning of the Council of Ministers? The right answer is option number C. Question number 50. Which constitutional amendment made the advice of the Council of Ministers binding on the President? The right answer is option number B. Question number 51. The real executive authority in India is vested in. The right answer is option number B. Question number 52. The Council of Ministers is removed by. The right answer is option number B. Question number 53. Who among the following is considered the keystone of the cabinet arc? The right answer is option number B. Question number 54. Which of the following is not a function of the Council of Ministers? The right answer is option number C. Question number 55. Which part of the Indian Constitution deal with the Union Executive? The right answer is option number B. Question number 56. The principle of collective responsibility of the Council of Ministers to the Lok Sabha is taken from which country? The right answer is option number B. Question number 57. The Council of Ministers become invalid when? Right answer of option number A. Question number 58. Which of the following statement is correct about ministers who are not member of parliament? The right answer is option number C. Question number 59. The Council of Ministers remain in power till it enjoy the confidence of. The right answer is option number C. Question number 60. The individual responsibility of minister to the prime minister mean. The right answer is option number D. तो बर्तमान क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 लो क्वेश्चन नंबर 80 रहिबो यूनियन गवर्नमेंट रो पार्लियामेंट ऊपर क्वेश्चन रहिबो क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 द पार्लियामेंट ऑफ इंडिया कंसिस्ट ऑफ. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 62 द मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द लोक सभा इज. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 63 द राज्यसभा इज ए. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 64 व्हाट इज द टेन्योर ऑफ लोक सभा. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 65 who preside over the joint sitting of parliament. The right answer is option number C. Question number 66 the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is. The right answer is option number D. Question number 67. Money bill can be introduced only in. The right answer is option number B. Question number 68. Who decide whether a bill is a money bill? The right answer is option number C. Question number 69. The Rajya Sabha represent. The right answer is option number B. Question number 70. The quorum to constitute a meeting of the either house is. The right answer is option number D. Question number 71. The Vice President of India is the ex officio. The right answer is option number A. Question number 72. Which article provide for the session of Parliament? The right answer is option number B. Question number 73. The maximum gap between two sections of Parliament cannot exceed. The right answer is option number D. Question number 74. The first hour of every sitting of Parliament is called. The right answer is option number B. Question number 75. Who summons each house of Parliament? The right answer is option number C. Question number 76. A joint sitting of Parliament is not applicable to which type of bill? The right answer is option number C. Question number 77. Who has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? The right answer is option number B. Question number 78. Which language can be used in Parliament for discussion? The right answer is option number C. Question number 79. Who conduct the business of the Rajya Sabha in the absence of the chairman? The right answer is option number B. Question number 80. Which of the following motion is used to remove the Speaker of Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha? The right answer is option number C. तो वर्तमान सेक्शन ले क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 लो क्वेश्चन नंबर 100 भीतर रहिबो यूनियन गवर्नमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट रो क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन व्हिच ईयर द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी क्वेश्चन नंबर 82 हु वाज द फर्स्ट चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया The right answer is option number B. Question number 83. The power of judicial review in India is visited in the. The right answer is option number B. Question number 84. The retirement age of Supreme Court judge is. Right answer is option number C. Question number 85. Under which article is the Supreme Court the guardian of the Constitution? The right answer is option number D. Question number 86. Which writ is issued by the Supreme Court to release a person from illegally detention? Illegally detention. The right answer is option number B. Question number 87. Which case establishes the principle of basic structure of the Constitution? The right answer is option number B. Question number 88. Who appoint the judge of the Supreme Court? The right answer is option number C. Question number 89. Which article deal with the establishment of the Supreme Court? The right answer is option number A. Question number 19. Which of the following is a qualification to become a Supreme Court judge? The right answer is option number D. Question number 91. The impeachment of Supreme Court judge require. The right answer is option number B. Question number 92. Which article empower the Supreme Court to issue writ for enforcement of fundamental right? The right answer is option number A. Question number 93. Advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court is given under. The right answer is option number B. Question number 94. Which case is known as the judge's transfer case? The right answer is option number B. Question number 95. Who described the Supreme Court of India as the guardian of the Constitution? The right answer is option number A. Question number 96. Public interest litigation was introduced by the Supreme Court in which year? The right answer is option number B. Question number 97. Which case is related to the right to privacy? The right answer is option number B. Question number 98. Which article make the law declared by the Supreme Court binding on all court? The right answer is option number B. Question number 99. Which case is associated with the expansion of Article 21 by right to life? The right answer is option number B. Question number 100. Which article give the President the power to seek advisor opinion from the Supreme Court? The right answer is option number C. तो वीडियो भल लगे वीडियो को लाइक करिवो एमिति सिलेबस वाइज वीडियो देखिया पई सब्सक्राइब करिक रखो एवं टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रे जॉइन हे जा पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करि परिवो।